If you're dealing with pesky fruit flies and you just can't get rid of them, I'm going to let you know exactly what I do to catch them and to get rid of them for pretty much good. So first things first, you got to clean out the sink. Make sure you're getting every crack and crevice and you're using hot water. I like to use the original Pine Sol because I swear insects hate this stuff. After rinsing, I turn on the garbage disposal and I pour in boiling hot water. This is my first way to kill the eggs. And then I like to use the Drano foaming disposal. I love this stuff. I find that it loosens up extra gook in the drain and it has a nice smell. And then I pour more boiling water. Now I usually use bleach, but it hasn't been hitting the way that I need it to. So I started using this stuff called Bio Drain, and I swear it's a game changer. You just pour half a cup into the drain, and then I pour about a quarter cup around the drain and just let that sit for about 2 hours. And then weekly I pour boiling water in all the drains around the house, including the showers and bathtubs. I do all of this to get rid of the fruit flies, but to catch the fruit flies, I like to make a concoction. I like to use mason jars when I'm making this trap, and then I pour sugar and hot water into each one to make a little simple syrup. And I always add ripe fruit into each jar. You guys, that fruit is what really calls their names. I mean, hello, they're fruit flies. And then I pour in a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar, or you can use red wine vinegar. But my secret weapon is the seasoned rice wine vinegar. Just trust me on this. And then you add a little bit of dish soap into each jar. And if you're wondering, Dawn Power Spray works too. The soap is what kind of gets them stuck. Now I make 2 versions of these. One, I use the sticky traps. I like to put those in high flying areas. And for the second one, I put aluminum foil over each jar and just close it with the lid. Shake it up and then poke holes at the top using a toothpick. This ensures that they go in, but they can't come out. Put these by the sinks and trash cans and kiss those flies goodbye.